wheels give the ZL1 a presence that demands attention everywhere it goes. The quad exhaust tips at the rear add both style and the deep, thunderous sound you expect from a high-performance V8. This car is built to look as fast as it drives. The Chevrolet Camaro ZL1 starts at around $70,000 in the United States, with prices going higher depending on options and packages. Considering the performance, technology, and engineering packed into this car, it's an incredible value compared to other high-performance sports cars that can easily cost twice as much. For drivers who want supercar performance without the supercar price tag, the Camaro ZL1 offers one of the best deals in the market today. In conclusion, the Chevrolet Camaro ZL1 is a masterpiece of American muscle, combining insane horsepower, head-turning design, advanced technology, and an exhilarating driving experience all in one package. Whether you're a fan of drag racing, track driving, or just want a powerful street car that makes every drive exciting, the ZL1 delivers it all. With its competitive pricing, it's a car that proves you don't need to spend six figures to own something truly extraordinary. Thank you for watching Auto Empire USA. If you enjoyed this review of the Chevrolet Camaro ZL1, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting car content. Stay tuned because we have